Alright, we're out here in BC. We are going to head out to Pendoreille today with the boat. We're going to head out, we're going to fish for smallmouth, possibly largemouth. I'm not sure if there's a population in there. Possibly crappie, we have caught one there before. Sunfish and perch, so lots of different species to target today. Let's get going. We are going to be going on a hike before then, so it'll probably be a little bit later when we get out there. So, yeah, that'll be it. See you guys there.
Bye.
When it's here.
Kirby tried to launch himself in yesterday.
We are here, Pendoreille Reservoir, river, whatever you want to call it. Got the boat right there, getting ready to go on. Probably gonna go over to that cliff. Yeah, really nice day. We've already seen a couple small bass around this. Oh my God, largemouth bass! Yeah, no, we've seen a couple small bass right on that log there. So, yeah. Let's get out there, let's get some fish. Beautiful cliff right there. That is amazing. How crystal, just flat this water is, it's amazing.
Crystal flat?
Yeah, crystal flat, come on. Alright, let's get down there, let's get some fish.
Just gonna crash. This looks like such a nice place to go swimming too.
It would be, I think.
A hot day.
Uh-huh.
It's a nice...
That's something. That's a big fish.
Sweet.
That's a fish, right there. Solid bass. I think that's a good bass. Tighten drag. Ooh, that's nice. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Woo!
I told you, man, this cove. That's awesome.
Big old smallie. I can lift. I can lift. We got him.
Fatty, dude.
Big old. Oh, okay, popped off right at the boat.
Right in the boat.
In the boat, yeah. Nice. Look at that fat fish. Oh, yep. Yep. Wow. That is awesome.
That's awesome, dude.
Big old smallie. Maybe £1.25 pound.
Hey man, sick largemouth bass, dude.
You know, I think this cove is good.
Did I call it?
Yep.
Called it, dude. Going. Fish on.
Nice.
Oh yeah. Solid little bass.
Nice little guy.
Yeah, the same one that you got. Nice. First bass. Nice little smallie.
Oh, I hate that little thing.
What?
The little hook on my stupid rod.
Oh. There's one. Double up.
Sweet.
Nice little bass, folks. Look at the scenery behind.
Hey, get
a beautiful cliff.
Get another one.
Yep, Jonah's got one right there.
Beauty.
I'm gonna let my guy go right back in the water.
Pretty little guy. Just
Yep.
a little one, but
Found a bunch of bass. This is awesome.
wow.
Well, this is better than just perch every time.
Yeah. Found the spot. Beautiful bass. Look at that nice fall coloration on him.
You're going for
I
that.
don't think it's close enough for the camera, Jonah.
Beautiful. Right back down.
Nice work.
My worm. Yes.
Yeah, I'll hold it.
Alright, there we go. Third smallmouth. All really healthy fish in here. Just swapped up to a heavier jig head. There we go. Beautiful, beautiful fish. Just moved a little bit of spots right by that little bit of a creek going in.
Tummied up too, man. Fatty.
Beauty.
That was a fat one too.
Yeah.
Nice catch. Damn it. Oh, I lost one and caught one here.
That's one. Oh, great. There we go.
That's weird.
Oh, that one's
Number 6. Just a little guy. Pretty little fish
5
anyways.
for you.
No, that'd be 6.
Oh, okay, nice.
There we go. Pretty little guy. Great patterns on these smallies. Go, pop off. Almost. There we go. Beautiful. Beautiful little smallmouth. Look at that. Great. Oh, is that a path up? It is. There we go. That's a fish. Number 9. Pretty little guy. Right there. Oh.
Dude, who are you talking to, by the way? Oh,
Phone.
the camera. All right.
You're a phone.
There's a basket by the way.
Base. That's good.
I really don't know if that dog is friendly. I'm gonna be honest.
They're having fun, dude.
There we go.
No, I know, but
Pretty little guy. Beauty. Back in. All right, that is it for today. We are out here, Pendoreille River. Amazing day. Ended up with 22 fish. A good amount of bass. So I got 1 rainbow, 15 bass, and 7 yellow perch. Yes, those are the numbers. All right, that'll be it for today. See you guys later.
thanks for watching. Hit that like button.